Basically, this also you can say as a polar form, there is no difference. But in the form of the exponential, we wrote in place of the cos theta and I sin theta. So z equal to mod z into e power I theta also we can write it. Now, from here you try to understand that z actually depend on two things. One is its modulus. Second, on any complex number will not change unless you are not going to change either its length or its amplitude or both. If suppose you are not changing a complex number, you are not changing its modulus or amplitude, so that complex number will be remain as it is. It cannot be changed at all. Getting on? Suppose I said to you, z equal to I, can we write in terms of the exponential? Yes, very much we can write, and we'll say z equal to mod z, that's the one, e power I, amplitude will be or pi by 2, we'll say e power I pi by 2. I hope you very clearly are of it. Right? What I was telling to you? Okay. Any complex number will, you are not going to change either its modulus or its amplitude or both. So, this is a very important statement. How important? I will tell you. If you watch carefully, you will understand. One complex number I am going to draw. What is that complex number? I don't know. I'm just trying to draw it. This is the one complex number, right? Excuse me. Let's say the name of this complex number something. Just A comma B. Or something. Theta model. Please, very carefully watch. This complex number now I thought. I'm thinking. I will shift it. Shifting. I shifted here. Can you see now? Hello. See. That's why I told you. Watch carefully. Animation is happening in front of you. Complex number was this. This was complex number. Right? Tell me. If I will shift like this. Ting, tong, ting. Tell me. Did I change the length of the complex number? Hello. I didn't change the length of the complex number. Complex number length is as it is. By shifting does not change the length here. Now again look. This complex number was. If I shifted one side, tell me, did I change the theta? Hello. No, I didn't change the theta also. By same angle it's making with the positive direction of the x-axis here. I didn't change the modulus. I didn't change the theta. So tell me, is it the same complex number or different? Which different? I will tell you. Yeah. Yes. Old one. Old one also is here. Yellow. Duplicate. Only difference between these two is what? Position is shifted, but complex number all at mod z into e power I theta. Z can change only when either you change modulus this quantity or this, and when you are doing from here to here, you are neither changing mod z, you are not changing theta. So what does it mean by the new complex number? There is the old one. Hello. Please watch carefully. But there is the one major difference which can be understood by the figure only, nothing else. This one is called as the position complex number. Position complex number. Position, or you can say point complex number. Understand? Anything you can say. And this is called as the non-position complex number. But any complex number can be shown in the form of the position and can be shown in the form of the non-position complex number also. Are you getting it? But every complex number have the unique position complex number, but every complex number have the infinite number of non-position complex number. Anyway, this complex number, check it. This one, it's not only one. You can get more complex number which is same as that. There is no difference. Length is not changed. You can get more and more as much as you want here. So there the non-position complex number, infinite number of non-position complex number is there, but position complex number is only one is there. How to get which is position complex number, which is non-position complex number? It's a very simple. If tail of complex number is on origin, then it's called as position complex number. Position complex number. Are you getting my point? If the tail of the complex number is on origin, then it's called as the position complex number. Otherwise, it will be called as the non-position complex number. If anybody is saying, identify, is it position complex number or non-position complex number? I hope without any problem, you can easily identify. You can know. I hope so. Get it? Suppose this is Z1. Let's say this is the Z2. Let's say this is the Z3. Let's say this is tell me, which is the position complex number? You will say only one position complex number is there, Z1, and Z2, Z3, Z4, Z5, all are non-position. Z4 don't say position, because tail must coincide with the origin, not head. Head and tail, you know, and some people are, what is the head? Where is the head? Head is not there. On head, some hair should be there. Hair is not there. Anyway, this is called as the head. Hello. And this is called as the tail. So if tail is coinciding with the origin, so we'll say that is the position complex number. And if tail is not coinciding, then we'll say that is non-position complex number. But any complex number will have only one position complex number. It cannot have the more than one position complex number. You know why? Don't know. Suppose I said, okay, I am going to make one. Yeah, this is. Yeah. Now if I am saying, make another complex number, same complex number, means you cannot change the length, you cannot change the theta. But that should be position complex number, you cannot make it. Some people are saying, sir, I can make it. How they are making it? They will turn it. But I can make it very easily. It's very easy, you don't know. But these two are different complex number. I hope you can understand. Of course, mod Z is same, but theta is different. So these two are different complex numbers. So be clear what I am trying to say you. Any complex number have only one position complex number, but in any complex number can have infinite number of non-position complex numbers. Is it clear? Position complex number Z always write on the top, means on the head. If it's non-position complex number, for example this one, थोड़ा दूर बनाता हूँ. Both are same, no difference. Check it. Both are parallel here, means theta same. Both are length is same because same thing copy paste I did here. So this is also Z. but the way of representation is